Hello everyone, this is Steve channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix Wi-Fi hotspot not working problem or portable hotspot not working or not connecting problem in Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus. So if you're just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Wi-Fi not showing or Wi-Fi not connecting problem in Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.